Action. Number one thing that we really strive for is the happiness of our customers. And at the end of the day, if our customers are not happy, we're not happy. What I like about BALDWIN Jeans is you have a company that has basically the same values that Finnu has. So you have one brand that is really dedicated into the quality of their product, and this one in particular is raw selvage denim jeans. So there's a one-on-one personal relationship there that I really, really appreciate. We knew that we needed something to stand through the shop, through the grind, through the dust, through the abrasive wear and tear of the shop life. And also we needed something that where I could, take that product, hose it off, throw on a jacket and go into a board meeting. So the quality of the product is very, very important to what we do here at Finnu, because we also strive to have quality products for our customers. BALDWIN Jeans, we know that they, number one, are dedicated to customer service, making sure that their products really withstand our environment. If we tear something, I know that I can send it to BALDWIN and BALDWIN's going to take care of us. That's what we like about BALDWIN Jeans.
Personal question, what kind of hair gel do you use?
That's a great question.